Dear students, today I am going to explain you one question from geometric progression. GP sums. First question is if A, B, C are in arithmetic progression and X, Y, Z are in geometric progression, then show that x to the power b minus c into y to the power c minus a into z to the power a minus b equals to 1. The proof is, it is given that a, b, c are in arithmetic progression. So this implies 2b equals to a plus c. This is the first equation since second term minus first term equals to third term minus second term. This implies b minus a equals to c minus b. And from this we get 2b equals to a plus c. And then x, y, z are in geometric progression. This implies y square equals to xz. This is the second equation since second term by first term equals to third term by second term. This implies y by x equals to z by y, and so y square equals to xz by crisscross multiplication. Now LHS equals to x to the power b minus c into y to the power c minus a into z to the power a minus b. Now this will be equals to x to the power b minus c, and in place of y we will write root under xz because y square equals to xz, so y equals to root under xz to the power c minus a into z to the power a minus b. Yeah, because here y square equals to xz and y equals to therefore root under xz. And then this root under xz means xz to the power 1 by 2, and that becomes c minus a by 2. So that is equals to x to the power b minus c into xz to the power c minus a by 2 into z to the power a minus b. Now you see, here xz is in the bracket and its power is c minus a by 2. So here xz, that means there are x into z. So here this c minus a by 2, this power is for x and z both. Okay, so this will be separately written as x to the power b minus c into x to the power c minus a by 2 into z to the power c minus a by 2 into z to the power a minus b. Now here x are like terms, so here it is in multiplication, so the power will be added, and so it becomes x to the power b minus c plus c minus a by 2 into, in the same way, z here the bases are same, so in multiplication power is added, so a plus b plus c minus a by 2. And then we get here x to the power 2b minus 2c plus c minus a by 2 into z to the power 2a minus 2b plus c minus a by 2. Now you know that 2b is equals to, already we have got 2b is equals to a plus c. So here wherever 2b is there we are putting a plus c. So a plus c minus a by 2 into 2a minus a minus c plus c minus a, and then you find that C cancelled, A cancelled, and then here also same thing. So nothing is left, so 0. So x to the power 0 by 2 and z to the power 0 by 2. That means x to the power 0 into z to the power 0, and x to the power 0 is 1 and z to the power 0 is 1. So it is 1 into 1 equals to 1. That is equals to RHS proved. Second question is if A, B, C are in geometric progression, then prove that log a to the power log of a to the power n, log of b to the power n, log of c to the power n are in arithmetic progression. Now proof is, it is given that a, b, c are in geometric progression, and so therefore b square equals to ac because b by a equals to c by b, as second term by first term equals to third term by second term. And now raising both sides to the power n, we get here b square to the power n equals to ac to the power. So here also this ac is two terms and its power is n, so this power n is for both a and c. So this will be written as b to the power 2n equals to a to the power n into c to the power n. And now taking log both sides. So we get here log b to the power 2n equals to log a to the power n into c to the power n. Yeah, after taking log both sides. And then from here this can be written as log of b to the power n square equals to log of a to the power n plus log of c to the power n. This is from product law of logarithm, because here it was in the product form, so it is added separately. And then again from power law, this power 2 will come here. So it becomes 2 log e to the power n equals to log a to the power n plus log c to the power n. This is from power law of logarithm. So this implies log of a to the power n, log of b to the power n, log of c to the power n are in AP, hence proved. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.